Mahyco as a company has always been farmer focused, trying to address the challenges that the farmers face on day-to-day basis when they are growing either Mahyco or non-Mahyco crops. And as a company, we've always felt that we need to bring the best solution to the farmer. So from our very beginning, when we introduced high-yielding varieties and hybrids, it went along with, all of the introductions went along with a package of practices which typically advises farmers on what fertilizer to use, how much irrigation might be required for the crop, what kind of pest and disease controls that the farmers may need to undertake depending on what the crop season looks like. And these are factors which now the farmers really managing on their own, even without getting the information from us. But what we see now, and BT cotton has been one example where a completely new technology which the farmer couldn't even imagine that you could control the insect the way this technology is able to do. Similarly, we are now working on technologies which will address the water availability issues by having it built in to the crop. So into the seed, for instance, as the plant grows, the plant has mechanisms to adapt to the conditions that the plant is exposed to. So if there's no rainfall under rain-fed condition, the plant will be able to survive longer on a dry spell than the current plants do. With fertilizers, even if the farmer continues to apply the same level of fertilizer, then you will see higher productivity because the plant is better able to extract those nutrients from the soil because of the root system, because of the modifications that have been done or selected in the plant. So some of these things address two elements really. One is that the ultimate objective for the farmer is to get better livelihood. Better livelihood by better production, by getting better market price at the end of it, which allows the farmers to spend that resource towards better health management, better education, so on and so forth. So our objective is to see what technologies which we bring allow the farmer to have this greater productivity on the farm. And while we are doing that, look, you can only achieve that if you are tackling the challenges that the farmer is facing. And the challenges the farmer faces is because of the constant changing of the environment. So one year you have high disease pressure, the following year you don't have disease pressure. Farmer may feel that, oh, the disease has disappeared in some cases, but that's not necessarily the case. So we as a company have to continue to work on developing products which address these problems, which sometimes are constant and sometimes changing. And the environmental factors that we are seeing are having great influence on the disease pressure, for instance. So because of the temperature shift in the north, we are seeing that rust disease has become more problematic than it was in the past. Or we will see a shift in the pathogens and so forth. So these are some of the challenges that we are working on as a research-focused company, always to see what are the key challenges the farmer faces and how do we tackle them by applying science.